Hello and welcome to this presentation. If you are watching this video, it means that you are on our LUT Software Engineering Bachelors seminar course and you are thinking about which software master's major you are going to be continuing after you complete your bachelor's degree studies. So to help your selection process, we decided to make a couple of these videos. This video explaining in general what the structure of our master studies are, and the rest of the videos with each of the heads of the different master's majors giving a brief introduction on their own master's program. Hopefully you will find these videos useful, or at least find some new information to help your selection process to move forward to your master's studies. So, as earlier, my name is still Jussi Kasurinen. I am the associate professor with LUT Software Engineering, also the head of the degree programs. You probably have heard of me, and if you haven't, then I have to ask you what the hell you have been doing for the couple of a few years. Anyway, I am the head of all the degree programs, and on this video, like mentioned, I am presenting a brief outline on everything that our master's programs offer, and joint themes, topics, and options on this process, because you will be asked on your paperwork to apply for bachelor's degree on which master's program you will continue to, and it's much more convenient and easier if you select the preferred or the best master's program that suits your needs immediately than just randomly pick one and then later want to change into the program that you originally wanted. Okay, let's take a look at first at the LUT Software Engineering Department's degree program structure. As you can see from this diagram, we are a department that runs on both Lappeenranta and Lahti campus. This of course means that we also have two bachelor's programs, ohjelmistotuotanto or tietotekniikka, which is a bachelor's degree in Finnish, that's at the Lappeenranta campus, and software and systems engineering, which is the bachelor's degree program at Lahti campus. It really doesn't matter from which of these two bachelor's programs you are graduating, you are allowed to continue to our master's programs similarly on all these different options. So basically what you are doing now when you are about to graduate as a bachelor is that you are done with the yellow arrow and you need to select one of the green arrows on the next step. These possibilities are software engineering and also digital transformation, which both are actually in a same program at Lappeenranta campus, but they are two different majors. So you apply to software engineering and digital transformation, and when you go there, you select either software engineering specialization or digital transformation specialization. Also, if you want to study in Lahti or stay in Lahti, you can continue to software product management and business or digital systems and service development masters, which are both at Lahti campus. We also have here a couple of other options, ICT and sustainability, which is a Nordic master's program, and the Green Deal for software engineering, which is an Erasmus Mundus program. They are both special cases. You can apply to join the ICT and sustainability, and in the future it might be also even as a third option on Lappeenranta programs. But for now, your thing is to select the next green arrow. And from all these programs, if you are interested in doctoral studies, you can continue to LUT doctoral school. So now that your bachelor's program is about to finish, let's select you a master's program from our department's different options. So when you are applying for your a bachelor's degree, you will be given a form or you will be separately asked somewhere else in SISU that in which master's program or master's major you will be continuing. From our LUT Software Engineering, these are the programs that will be your options. There will be Software Engineering and Digital Transformation from Lappeenranta. This is the traditional program or the default option for the students studying and graduating in Lappeenranta. From this program, you can continue to either Software Engineering major or Digital Transformation major. The other option is Digital Systems and Service Development, which is Lahti program, technically oriented and focusing on service development. On this program is programming and code development heavy, and something that is designed for the students who are technology oriented and graduating in Lahti campus. The third option, Software Product Management and Business, is the Lahti program, which is most equivalent to Digital Transformation in Lappeenranta. The Software Product Management and Business is also a program that very much supports the ability to work while studying, so this is also something that you should consider. The final option, Sustainable ICT Solutions, is a Nordic Masters program, and which is currently in Lappeenranta. In academic year of 2023 to 24, this Nordic Master program is implemented in cooperation with Aalborg University, meaning that if you select this program, you will be also expected to be able to do a study visit to Aalborg University, Copenhagen, in Denmark. Otherwise, this program is in Lappeenranta and also option for you, although you might need to separately apply for the Sustainable ICT Solutions. The other options, Software Engineering and Digital Transformation, Digital Systems and Service Development, and Software Product Management and Business are available as an direct options on your paperwork related to graduating as bachelor. Before moving into the different program or major specific videos, I also want to emphasize the fact that, of course, these are all programs and majors produced by Software Engineering Department. This means that even though they have separate objectives, separate courses and separate things they want to teach you, they also have common core courses and common core areas of software engineering. So regardless of which program you select, you will be taught at least something on software design and development, software quality assurance and testing practices, software maintenance, enterprise systems, software architecture, usability, user-based design, IT sustainability, and also about data intensive software systems. So in that sense, the selection between the programs should be about what interests you as a student. What's the thing that you want to do in the future? What's the thing that you want to do with your master's degree when you graduate? Which are the competences and key areas you want to study? And of course, also if you are a later stage student or already in working life, how much time you can put, how much time or hours per week you can put to your studies, which is the program that would most realistically support you towards your graduation. But keep in mind that all these programs share the common core areas. It's the different flavors or specializations you are selecting from. And also, not only common core areas, all these programs are ASEAN accredited and follow ACM IEEE curricula guidelines. So in that sense, there is no saying that one program is better than the another, or that there is no order of rank between the programs. Just use time, get familiar with each of these master's majors, and select the one you find most useful or better as your option. Of course, sometimes this selection might be between Lappeenranta and Lahti campus, working while studying or studying while working, and so on and so on. But the choice is yours. All these programs share the common core topics. All these programs are accredited and they are produced by our department. So the selection should be primarily about your personal interests, professional interests, and what you want to do when you are grown up and get your first real job in the industry. Finally, to be honest and completely clear on your options, there is also a possibility for you, now that you are graduating as our bachelor student, to switch to other major in LUT University. Software engineering department has agreement with LUT Computational Engineering that you can switch when graduating as a bachelor to their master's programs. Unfortunately, the details on these have been changed because there has been changes on this computational engineering department. So my advice is to you to study with your study advisor, ask about those options. But if you are more interested in computational engineering, especially if you took a extended minor in computational engineering in your bachelor's degree studies, this is also an option for you. Similarly, we also have the same agreement with LUT Industrial Engineering. Keep in mind that not all industrial engineering or computational engineering majors are available to you, but if you are more interested in completing your studies at LUT University in master's program run by industrial engineering, there's also options for that. So please check the study advisor for your extended options if you are or if you want to switch out your major to another department outside software engineering. Otherwise, this is the last slide I'm going to present on this joint or introductory part. So now that you are graduating as a Bachelor of Software Engineering, it's time for you to select your master's program. What's in the following videos is that all the master's program or master's major heads of programs will be giving a brief 5-minute presentation about our different majors. Like said, they all share the common core, they have common topics, but they have different specialization. They put emphasis on different things. They have different ways of study to participate, and of course, finally, some of them are on different campuses than others. So, spend time on your selection and hopefully find the best one you want to. And of course, keep in mind that if you really need to, you can still switch inside master's majors inside LUT Software Engineering, but it's a complicated paperwork and bureaucratic process, so it would be much more convenient for you if you make the initial selection correctly, or so that it interests you and carries you all the way to your master's degree. So, thank you for listening in. I'm going to say now thank you, and hopefully you will switch to see the videos made by the heads of programs. If you are watching this on YouTube, I have no idea what will be coming next. I think the YouTube recommender might give you some music video or something else, or if you are in Moodle, the next video link underneath this will probably be about software engineering or digital transformation or something like that. So switch to that video now. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.